see. Good girl. Hold on. 1, 2. A little slow. Get in here. Can I adjust you now? Okay. Get in here. Okay, I should have done that. Okay, let's double check. Okay, let's get you to stand. Okay, is that okay, Angel? You stand? Okay, get your ground. Okay, that's faster now. Great. You okay? Huh? Right. Okay, now we'll finish this. Yeah. Oh, girl. Good girl. Oh, that's a good girl. Look how good you were. Okay. Good girl, Ben. Let's double check this. Oh, it feels good. Do range of motion here. Oh, and any toes. Oh, can I pick up this one? Oh, that's so good. Remember how stiff and awkward the front legs used to be?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to put her down. She'll do a big shake. Okay, here we go. Okay, ready? There you go. Want to do a shake? I bet you are. I bet you're going to do a shake.
Yeah.
Perfect.